Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasser Ahmed. So we will continue looking at vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator, and in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at using a clipping mask. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So we have this picture of a giraffe. Okay, I'm going to be creating a circle using the shape tool, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select everything and click on make clipping mask. And what will happen is this picture will only appear in the circle like this. You can apply this effect to also text as well. You can see you've got some text here, and then you can just make that picture appear only in the text like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this tutorial. So we got the picture already. The next thing that we need to do is we need to click on the shape tool and draw a shape. So let me zoom in slightly. Okay, and I'm going to click down on the shape tool and select this option here. We're going to just draw a circle that's going to cover the giraffe. Let me just move it over the leg like that. Okay, so what we then need to do is to apply the clipping effect, you need to highlight both the picture and the shape, right click on your mouse, and then you can click on make clipping mask. So you can see the picture now only appears in the circle that we've created here. Okay, if I was to resize the circle, let me just make it, oops. What I'm going to do is, you can see the circle went out of the picture slightly. So what I'm going to do is just resize the circle so it fits within the picture, and then we can do it again. Okay, there we go. There's an ear, I think, coming out of the giraffe, so I'm going to move the circle here, or that I'm trying to cover as much of the giraffe as possible. I think we're just going to miss off the leg, but doesn't matter. Let's try doing that again. So right click, make clipping mask. Yep, that's fine with me. Okay, so that's the first thing that we can do using a clipping mask. I'm just going to press Control Z a few times. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the text tool. We're going to click down here, and we're going to type in giraffe, okay, and we're going to do the same effects. So try to use a thick font. So I'm going to go for impact, and we're going to use a masking effect on the text as well. So let's choose impact for the font. Let's make the font size as big as possible. So maybe 200. Oh, let's just write something first. So giraffe. Okay, we want to increase this to 150. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that should be big enough. Right, now what we're going to do is just place this text here. What I'm going to do as well for the picture is I'm going to resize the picture because I want, and let me zoom out so we can see a little bit more. I want the body to be basically covering the text. Okay, so just a little bit more bigger. I think I can go a little bit more bigger as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select this as well, the text and the picture. So let's just highlight everything. So using a selection tool. So if I now right click and click on make clipping mask, and you can see the same effect has been applied, probably too much, inside of the text here as well. Okay, so that's the use of the clipping mask within Illustrator. There you go. Let me just go back a few steps. Maybe I made a picture too big and it became pixelated. Do you know what? Let me just move this text like this. And let's see what's going to happen. So let's try doing that again. So we're going to make the full selection. And then right click, select make clipping mask. And to be honest, that looks a lot better, that doesn't it? Okay, as you can see the giraffe in the middle, you can see the sky, then obviously the grass. Right, okay, so that was this tutorial, should I say, using the clipping mask. So what we did initially was we used, we created a shape, and then we applied the clipping mask so the picture fit into the shape. And the second thing that we've done in this tutorial is we have added some text, and then again we used the clipping mask, so what was in the picture now only shows up in the text. Hopefully guys, this tutorial was useful for you. Please join me in the next video. Thank you again for your time. Okay, bye-bye.